This printing press, manufactured by Harildel and Sons, belongs to the category of hand-operated presses. It represents an earlier stage in the history of printing technology, before the arrival of the fully automatic machines that transformed the industry in the 20th century. The operation of the press was demanding and relied almost entirely on the skill and the effort of the printer. First, the type, small metal pieces forming letters and words, was carefully arranged to create the layout of the page. Ink was then spread across the surface using rollers, which had to be prepared with precision to ensure distribution. Next, a sheet of paper was placed into positions by hand. With the pull of a lever, pressure was applied and the text was transformed into the page. The force had to be carefully balanced, strong enough to produce a clear impression, but not so strong that it damaged the paper. Once printed, each sheet was removed by hand and placed on drying racks, where the ink needed time to set before the paper could be bound into books or distributed as newspapers and pamphlets. For the printer, this was a labor-intensive work that demanded concentration, speed, and consistency. Every sheet passed literally through the craftsman's hands. A small mistake in pressure or placement could ruin an entire print run. Unlike later machines, where the operator was more of a supervisor, here the printer's role was active, physical, and deeply connected to the outcome. Comparing this Harildel and Sons press with the Heidelberg automatic press we saw in another exhibit highlights the shift in technology. The Heidelberg could print thousands of sheets per hour with minimal manual intervention. The Harildel and Sons, by contrast, produced far fewer copies, but each page bore the mark of human effort and craftsmanship. It represents the handmade stage of printing, where technology and human labor were inseparable. To a modern viewer, the press may appear heavy and mechanical, but for printers of the time, it was a gateway to knowledge and communication. With it, books could be published, ideas circulated, and news spread to wider audiences. The clean sheet pulled from the press was not just paper and ink. It was a source of pride and proof of skill. The Harildel and Sons hand press remind us that printing was not always an industrial, impersonal process. There was once when every page required human energy, care, and precision. This press embodies that more artisanal area of printing, laying the foundation for the great industrial advances that followed.